Hello everyone, welcome to our informative guide on what Amazon Prime Day is all about. I'm Anis Baza.
And I'm Jack Costi, and today we'll take a closer look at this exciting shopping event that has taken the retail world by storm.
Believe it or not, Amazon Prime Day isn't a tradition that dates back centuries. It was first introduced by Amazon in July 2015 to celebrate the company's 20th anniversary.
Prime Day was designed as a one-day only sales event, featuring a wide range of products at deeply discounted prices. It's like Black Friday, but in the middle of summer.
First off, to participate in Prime Day, you must be an Amazon Prime member. This membership offers a plethora of benefits, including fast shipping, access to Prime Video, and much more.
Prime members gain exclusive access to the best deals, lightning offers, and early bird discounts during the Prime Day sales.
What started as a one-day event in the United States has now grown into a global phenomenon. Prime Day is celebrated in many countries around the world. Initially a 24-hour event, Prime Day has expanded to 48 hours in some regions, giving shoppers more time to snag incredible deals.
Prime Day covers a wide range of product categories, from electronics and fashion to home goods and groceries. You can find almost anything on sale.
Amazon often offers significant discounts on its own products, such as eco devices, Kindles, and Fire tablets.
In conclusion, Amazon Prime Day is an annual shopping extravaganza exclusively for Amazon Prime members. It offers incredible discounts, a diverse range of products, and has grown into a global event. It's the perfect opportunity to snag great deals and upgrade your shopping game.
Now that we know what Prime Day is and how this massive event started, let's run through a step-by-step guide on how to get the best from Prime and ensure that the deals you are running throughout the 2 days get the best possible results. We'll walk you through all the strategies and steps to make the most of this extraordinary sales event. Even if you are not taking part in Prime Day, it is a great exercise to make sure your products are competitively priced and stand out during the event so that you can maximize your sales while there are hundreds of thousands of customers on Amazon.
Prime Day can bring a surge in demand. Ensure you have enough inventory to meet potential spikes in sales.
Analyze sales trends and use Amazon's forecasting tools to determine the right inventory levels.
You also need to optimize your product listings. This could be by high quality images and descriptions. So your product listing should be clear, high resolution images, and detailed, persuasive descriptions.
Price your products competitively to attract buyers, and consider dynamic pricing tools for real-time adjustments.
You can also utilize Amazon's promotional tools. Now, the first one being their lightning deals. Apply for lightning deals to feature your products prominently on Prime Day.
To complement that, offer coupons and discounts to entice shoppers and make your products stand out.
If possible, use Fulfillment by Amazon for fast and reliable shipping. It's favoured by Prime members.
Ensure your shipping is swift and reliable. Provide top-notch customer service for a memorable shopping experience.
And also make sure to market your Prime Day deals. Now, you could invest in sponsored product campaigns to boost visibility and reach a wider audience.
And don't forget your social media promotion. Leverage it to create buzz around your Prime Day deals. Engage with your audience and build anticipation.
You also need to make sure that you're analysing and adjusting. So this could be through monitoring your performance by continuously tracking your sales and performance metrics during Prime Day. Identify what's working and what needs improvement.
And remember, be flexible. Based on real-time data, adjust your pricing, promotions, and your marketing efforts accordingly.
After Prime Day, send thank you messages to your customers. A little appreciation goes a long way.
Encourage buyers to leave reviews. Positive feedback can boost your reputation and future sales.
Selling products on Amazon Prime Day can be incredibly rewarding with the right strategy. By preparing your inventory, optimizing your listings, utilizing Amazon's promotional tools, and marketing effectively, you can maximize your sales during this period.
Quick disclaimer, keep in mind that strategies and guidelines may evolve from year to year. Stay up to date with the latest Prime Day information and guideline on our channel. And best of luck with your Prime Day sales. And may your products shine bright on this special day.